Imagine waking up one morning, slipping on what looks like an ordinary pair of glasses, and instantly unlocking an entire digital world floating in front of your eyes. No phone in your hand, no laptop on your desk, no TV on your wall. Just a lightweight device sitting comfortably on your face, powerful enough to replace every screen in your life. That's exactly where the future is heading. And today I'm going to show you 6 insane smart glasses and AR devices that prove the next generation of computing is arriving faster than anyone expected. Let's start with Amazon because they are quietly preparing one of the boldest tech launches of the decade. Their super secret project, internally called Jayhawk, is rumored to be Amazon's first serious leap into augmented reality. But what makes Jayhawk so exciting isn't just the fact that it can display full-color graphics, maps, prompts, and notifications directly inside a single lens. It's Amazon's mission to make these glasses so comfortable and so socially acceptable that you can wear them anywhere without feeling like a cyborg. Slim frames, minimal design, built-in mic, speakers, a low-profile camera, all designed to blend the digital world into your everyday routine. And here's the twist. Amazon is actually developing a second pair of AR glasses called Amelia, designed exclusively for their delivery drivers. This industrial version is expected to roll out huge numbers as early as 2026, helping drivers navigate, scan, and complete routes faster. Once Amelia proves itself in the real world, Amazon will shift full attention to Jayhawk for consumers, likely landing around late 2026 or 2027, with Alexa and Amazon S Cloud AI already dominating smart homes. Jayhawk could instantly become one of the most practical AR wearables ever released. But Amazon isn't the only one preparing something massive. Meta's gearing up to take smart glasses to the next level with their upcoming Ray-Ban dual display glasses. If you think today's Ray-Ban Metas are impressive with their single-lens display, wait until both lenses become fully capable screens. That means immersive navigation floating across your vision, widescreen video calls, multitasking windows, and real-time augmented reality overlays, all displayed in stereo like a transparent AR headset you can wear in public. Combine that with Meta's neural wrist controller, which lets you navigate with tiny finger movements. And suddenly interacting with your glasses feels as natural as waving your hand in the air. This could be the moment AR glasses evolve from fun accessories into full-blown computing devices. And of course, we can't talk about the future without mentioning Apple. Apple has been quietly crafting what many people believe will be the next major leap in personal technology: Apple Smart Glasses. Unlike bulky AR headsets, Apple is aiming for something elegant, featherlight, and stylish, something you could wear to work, at home, or even out in public without drawing attention. These glasses are rumored to integrate deeply with Apple's ecosystem. It's using your iPhone's powerful processor in the background, while the glasses focus on delivering clean visuals. Instant notifications, translations, and object recognition right in your field of view. Siri becomes your invisible assistant, popping up when needed, guiding you, informing you, translating for you all hands-free. With rumors pointing to a 2026 or 2027 release, Apple's glasses could easily become the device that normalizes AR for the entire world, just like the iPhone did for smartphones. If you prefer productivity over augmented trickery, then the Inmo Air 3 might blow your mind. These glasses are basically a floating workstation strapped to your face. Imagine sitting anywhere on a couch, on a plane, in a coffee shop, and instantly pulling up multiple virtual screens, all sharp, bright, and fully interactive. One for your movie, one for your messages, another for your browser. The Air 3 doesn't rely on your phone. It has its own computing system, which means you can run apps directly on the glasses. Whether you're editing, streaming, chatting, or even creating content using the wide-angle camera, Air 3 brings your entire digital life into your visual space without needing a monitor, a keyboard, or even a laptop. It's one of the closest devices we have today to replacing a full computer with something you can wear. Now, on the creator side of the world, Snap is gearing up for a huge comeback with the Spectacles 2026 edition. Snap's goal is simple: make content creation so effortless that you barely have to think about it. Just put on your sunglasses, look at something cool, blink, and boom, you've captured it. The new spectacles are expected to include sharper cameras, better audio, rock-solid video stabilization, and new AR effects you can actually see while recording. Imagine filming a moment with filters and digital effects applied in real time right in front of you. Combine that with instant sharing capabilities, and these glasses could become every vlogger's dream, especially for people who want to create content from a true first-person perspective. And then there's Rocket, a brand that's gaining huge attention for making AR glasses that are incredibly user-friendly and surprisingly powerful. Rocket's glasses look more like everyday eyewear than futuristic tech. Yet they project a bright virtual display right in front of your eyes that feels like having your own private movie screen floating in the air. Whether you're watching Netflix, reading documents, browsing the web, or using apps directly on the glasses, Rocket gives you a portable, personal screen anywhere you go. With voice commands, frame-based controls, and sharp visual quality, Rocket is proving that AR glasses don't need to be complicated or futuristic to be unforgettable. They just need to work, and work well. The craziest part about all of this? We're not talking about distant future concepts or sci-fi prototypes. These devices are real, they're coming, and they're about to change the way you interact with information forever. For decades, we shrank computers from massive machines to desktops, then to laptops, then to smartphones, and eventually wearables. But now, we're entering a new era, one where the screen disappears completely. Your apps, your tools, your entertainment, your assistant, your entire digital world, it all moves into your field of view. Smart glasses aren't the future anymore. They're the present. And very soon, they're going to become the centerpiece of our digital lives as natural to wear as a watch or a pair of headphones. So buckle up, because the age of glasses is officially here, and the way you see the world is about to change forever.